Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to public Valorant tracker, easy method. Open your account and enable match sharing in settings, then export match ID or link your Riot profile. Use a trusted tracker site and paste ID or profile URL to generate public pages with scores, agents, and combat stats. Double-check privacy options, remove old matches you do not want public, and keep your account secure while sharing highlights and progress with viewers. In this video, I will show how to public Valorant tracker, easy method. Start by opening Valorant settings and toggling match sharing on, then play or export a recent match. Copy match ID or your Riot profile link and visit a reliable tracker tool, paste the data, and choose which stats to show like KDA, adder, and agent picks. Review the generated page, adjust layout preferences, and verify visibility before sharing links with others. In this video, I will show how to public Valorant tracker, easy method. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes downtime reading comfortable between warm-up matches, and it fits in a bag beside your mouse and headset. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more straightforward guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to public Valorant tracker, easy method. If the tracker fails, update your exported files or reauthorize your Riot profile connection, then retry importing. Use filters to hide irrelevant matches and spotlight top plays or agent performance, and clear old exports regularly to avoid clutter. Keep an eye on API limits or rate errors, and contact the tracker support if you see mismatched stats or missing match details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.